Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can add Cash App to Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. And you can see that I'm on the official website of Cash App. You can see that it's written here that in order to add a bank in your Cash App, log in using your account, and then you just have to tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and select the linked banks. After that, you just have to tap on the linked bank to access the bank linking page of the app. Now just follow the prompts and that's it. There's also a video below to show you how it's done, and you can see it showing the same steps as I just told you. So you just have to navigate to the respective field in the app and that's it. Now you just need to add your bank account details. This is basically how you can add Cash App to Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.